Hello, fellow rental property investor, and welcome to the March 2025 DSCR loan update. Today's DSCR loan rate index is at 7.28%, while at OfferMarket, we are at 7.1%. DSCR loan interest rates are calculated by adding the 5-year US Treasury and your scenario-specific credit spread. The 5-year Treasury has been surprisingly stable, hovering around 4% since the start of the month. The 5-year US Treasury is caught nearly static in a tug of war. On one side, you have elevated inflation concerns due to tariff-centric economic policy, while on the other side, you have recession concerns due to tariff-centric economic policy, DOGE federal cost-cutting initiatives, and increased uncertainty facing businesses and consumers. It's a pretty crazy time. And don't let this stability in the 5-year Treasury fool you. Interest rates are likely to be volatile as 2025 plays out. Consumer sentiment is something to pay close attention to. The University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index has fallen sharply since Inauguration Day. Now, you may want to pause this video and take a closer look at how political affiliation affects consumer sentiment. It's wild and totally irrational. There's an FHA subprime bubble, and it doesn't seem that many people are paying attention to it. A recent opinion in the Wall Street Journal shared the following data points. FHA loan delinquency rate is now above 11%, the highest rate since 2013. 64% of borrowers have a DTI above 43%, which is a key underwriting threshold. That's compared to 35% of borrowers in 2007. 7.05% of FHA loans originated in 2024 are already seriously delinquent, and that's higher than the 7.02 peak during the subprime bubble in 08-09. It's estimated that 79% of FHA first-time borrowers have 1 month or less in financial reserves. So there's absolutely moral hazard here. The FHA has made over 500,000 incentive payments to servicers over the past year to prevent foreclosures. When this happens, the missed payments are added to the principal balance. At the same time, home values are declining, placing distressed borrowers underwater. This is artificially withholding inventory from the market, and it appears to be a key driver of elevated home prices. As this situation unravels, it's expected to disproportionately harm lower income markets that are higher percentage FHA loans. Given elevated prices, home buyers have turned to FHA loans for lower down payments. According to data from the Mortgage Bankers Association, over 29% of new home sales in December were financed with FHA loans. Here's where we include an important reminder that home builders now sit on the most unsold completed inventory since 2009. Home builder confidence fell considerably into negative territory from 47 in January to 39 just earlier today for the month of March. And there are increasing reports of aggressive home builder price cuts and incentives such as interest rate buydowns and even shadow inventory in the Sunbelt markets that ran hottest during COVID. Shadow inventory, something that not very many people talk about, are new homes that are ready to be listed, but the builder is stalling final touches to avoid further saturation of the market. Tying this all together, we see a base case of stagflation, where the economy slows and interest rates remain elevated. We're advising our clients to focus on disciplined risk management. That means ample cash reserves, careful tenant screening, aggressive negotiation with sellers for new purchases. And for clients with short-term fix and flip loans, bridge loans, hard money loans, we're advising a sense of urgency to complete rehab projects and sell or refinance as soon as possible. For those refinancing into DSCR loans, we recommend considering a lower prepayment penalty to be positioned in case rates come down in the next 12 to 24 months, which is a scenario that's rather hard to assign a probability to given present uncertainty. Now, as always, you can get an instant DSCR loan quote at offermarket.us/loans. And on our investment property marketplace, we have 865 off-market properties listed. You can chat with the seller and submit offers directly from the listing. It's pretty cool. We'd love for you to give it a try. And finally, our product team has been working on a suite of calculators specifically for rental property investors. The newest addition joining our top-rated DSCR calculator is our Escrow Calculator. All of our calculators make it easy to accurately run your numbers, save your calculations, and share them with partners. Thank you so much for watching this video. We invite you to leave a comment. We'd love to learn your perspective and answer any questions you may have. And please take a moment to subscribe. Hope you have a great day and a great month of March.